Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best Dado Blade that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the IRN Tools 1,811,865 Marples 8-inch stack Dado Blade. There's definitely a hierarchy when it comes to woodworking tools. There are regular ones and then there is the IRN Tools 1,811,865 Marples 8-inch stack Dado Blade. This has been manufactured in a country known for exquisitely crafting durable and finely sharpened knives that work to precision. This Italian-made blade is engineered for accurate and clear-cut woodworking that is evidently superior to others. All the blades are made with due attention to detail, ensuring they all perform at only one level, perfection. They come thinly made with an oversized premium quality carbide that ensures these circular blades are at top performance all through their prolonged lifespan. The larger blades at the side can be resharpened, ensuring they deliver the finely cut, accurate and professional work every woodworkman desires. Also featuring a heat-resistant non-stick coating, the blades are sure to dispel heat, resulting in cleaner and truer cuts. Moving on, at number 4, we have the MIBRO 416,381 8-inch carbide stacking Dado Blade set. The MIBRO 416,381 8 inches carbide stacking Dado Blade set is a perfect choice for DIY enthusiasts and weekend practitioners who love to get in and get some work done occasionally. Affordably priced to suit a lot of pockets, the MIBRO set still delivers clear-cut grooves for joint sets. It may not work as accurately as higher brands and blades, yet it will still cut grooves from 1/4 to 13/16 in 1/16 increments. The carbide tooth blades and chippers have negative hook angles that create flat, smooth bottom grooves with reduced splinters. These tooth blades are made with carbide, which ensures the blades last longer and still performs efficiently over time. At number 3, we have the Oshlun SDSO 842 8-inch 42-tooth stack Dado Blades. In the woodworking industry, there are certain tools and equipment that are exceptionally useful to complete a large range of work and applications. Dado cutters happen to be one of them, aiding in cutting grooves on a workboard that needs to be joined to another workpiece. The Oshlun SDSO 842 8-inch 42-tooth stack Dado set comes with 16 sharpened, quality blades made to cut clean and precise grooves. For quite an affordable price, these multiple blades provide the option of selecting the number of blades required for the specific task. For indentations that are more narrow, just a few blades would be necessary for a true, precise and well-finished cut on the board. However, for grooves that need to be wider in width, more blades can be stacked up to ensure a thicker cut on the workpiece. At number 2, we have the Freud 8-inch X24T Super Dado Blades. As a professional in the carpentry industry, having a stack of top-quality tools and equipment is highly important. This will tell on the type of work produced and just how detailed and precise the overall form is. Freud tools are known to be exceptionally crafted via top-notch materials and innovative technology to ensure the workman adds precision and professionalism to skill. All their blades are well detailed, made and treated through advanced and sophisticated processes. The Freud 8 inches by 24T Super Dado sets, South Dakota 508, is no different. It stands up to the height by delivering top-notch, clean and precise cuts every workman desires for his workpieces. Its 8 inches diameter is set to fit into any 5/8 table saw hole with anti-kickback blades and chippers for enhanced safety. The set itself includes 2 blades, 6 chippers, a shim set with a carrying case that can also be used to store the blades. And finally, at number 1, we have the Freud 8-inch X20T box joint cutter set. The Freud team are always looking for innovative and advanced ways to provide solutions in this growing industry. And as little as it may seem, they have achieved this with the Freud 8 inches by 20T box joint cutter set, SBO X8. With their high-precision top-quality blades and unique tooth design, They make clean and precise cuts through the workpiece. However, there is a twist to it. While these blades deliver precisely square, flat bottom joints via a table saw, they achieve this a bit differently. These accurate grooves are created without a dado set or saw blade required. Instead, a simple yet extremely effective application has been introduced to enhance its convenience and easy installation. Whether you're an expert or a regular practitioner who loves the craft, this cutter set will be very handy and quite easy to use. The two 8 inches diameter blades are installed on a table saw with the blades placed together, back to back to achieve 1/4 inch box joints. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.